These are a pair of headphones with a microphone input and a single button control for your playback. These are obviously made by JBL, which is a company by Harman, and these were relatively cheap. These were for about 39 dirhams, and basically they are a super cheap pair of headphones that also have a mic input, which work on phones. Obviously, this one is not a Bluetooth headphone, so you will need a phone which has an audio jack. I've actually had the chance to look at these headphones before, so I can give you a full review here while I'm unboxing this. Obviously, it's a simple unboxing. You have the headphones inside here itself, a bunch of literature underneath, which we can move to the side. The headphones itself, they're packed nicely snug, like that. And they of course come with an extra 2 pairs of earbuds. They're different sizes, so the one that's already attached is a medium size. You have the smaller size and the slightly bigger size. For me, while I use the other pair of headphones that I got, the medium size worked perfectly fine, so I didn't need to really try on any of the other sizes, but it's good to have. Taking a quick look around the headphones, we have this slightly orangish color that's going on. You can notice the orange color in the earphones itself, and of course you can also see them here, which is, it's nice attention to detail when it comes to all of that. And then of course you have the JBL branding at the back. Over here you have it on the headphone jack itself, right over there, and if I'm not mistaken on the remote as well, right there. So these headphones are actually pretty good. Obviously you need a compatible phone, which are getting more and more rare. So here's an example of a still pretty cool with a nice feature phone. For what you're paying, this headphone is pretty good. It tends to be a bit heavier on the bass and misses out on the mids and the lows, especially the lows. But obviously you can tune the sound to your liking based on your equalizer settings on your phone or your music player, whatever you're using. I personally prefer the headphone to at least have one button, so that if I'm having a conversation with somebody, I don't have to fumble around for my phone to pause the playback. I can just press this button. With the remote, obviously you get some controls, so you can pause a video, you can play the video, you can double tap to skip it, and in some cases if you triple tap it, it goes back, but in this case it doesn't really work here. Another cool thing is that if you press and hold a button, you can call the voice assistant. In iOS, it'll be Siri. On Android, it would be Google Now or Google Assistant, and that's really how it would work. It's pretty cool. It works really well. As you can tell, the audio is pretty clear. The mic in this is pretty good. You can see the mic hole right over there. I've used this for various voice calls over cellular, over Skype, over different applications, and it works really well. The other side could hear me fairly clearly. You could tell that I'm quite away from the mic when I was doing the Google Assistant test, and it worked really well. It picks up the audio quite clearly. And as far as sound goes, I already told you that the sound is pretty good. I can highly recommend these for 39 dirhams. If they're still around in the market, definitely go for them. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.